This is another video of fixing my mistakes. And what I'm about to show you guys, you will be really disappointed in me, but I've totally neglected this side of this car. And this is one of the most important parts of the car. And I can't believe I've really let this go on this long. So I was going to film a whole different type of video for you guys today. I was going to rotate my tires because my tires a little bit, they need a little change. But doing a deeper investigation, it needs more than a change. It needs a whole new tire setup completely. So that's why today, guys, I'm going down to Pep Boys and then replacing 3 of my tires. If you watch my recent video that came out maybe last year around December, I had a blowout on one of my tires, so I went to Pep Boys and got a whole new tire replacement because I was running on 16 to 20 psi, and that was just so disappointing, where I was really like, dude, do you really want to even care? Do you really care about your car, or you just drive it just to drive it? Like, you have to do maintenance, and especially when you have a modified car, maintenance is the #1 key. Yes, it looks good, you put your time in it, but you have to do the upkeep. If you don't, you have a blowout, gonna be stranded somewhere, and I don't want to be in that situation. So before I get on the road, I'm just gonna show you guys the damage, and the damage is pretty bad. Like, I've been driving through rain, I've been sliding a little bit, but I know why, because my thread is really bad. So, you can judge me all you want in the comment section, I understand that, but this time you have the right to. So as you can see right here, that is bad. No thread at all right there. That is bad also. But this is the only good tire I have because this is the one I got replaced. But the other 3, they have to go. Now, I hate to say this, I've been running these tires for the last 3 years. I got this set up in 2022 and I haven't changed my tires yet, and that's sort of my fault. Big time, my fault. Ever decided to buy aftermarket wheels and tires, you have to get your tires changed. And I should have known doing that. I should have changed them last year instead of keep waiting. So now I got at least about a 20-minute, 30-minute drive to make it to my destination while nothing happening, because both of those tires right there is about to give out at any second. So I got to be careful, drive cautious, and get there without any accidents or incidents. So wish me luck, and I'll pick my camera up when I get to the destination. All right. 4 hours later, and we're back home with new tires, fresh meat on the wheel. So this will never ever happen again. Check your tires. Always check your tires. Now, one thing I do have to say, I do have to change, is my PSI. It's a little too high for me when it comes to the PSI. I'm running like 49, 50, 46 on the brand new tires, but that's okay. I like to drop mine down at least 36 PSI. Just better for me, better for my preference. But yes, please change out your tires. I had these tires on since I bought these wheels 2022, so that was a big no-go. It's been 3 years, so check your tires. And one thing, like I always say, do maintenance. Always do heavy maintenance, because you have a modified car. Check your maintenance all the time. Now, there's another thing I want to fix. I have a special thing I want to change out, because it's another mistake I want to fix, and I'm going to show you guys, because this right here is very hideous, and I'm so tired looking at it, and it just been over the past years, the wear and tear has finally caught up to it, and now I just want to get rid of it at all. So today I have purchased brand new Weatherstripping for the car. Now, if you can see right here, it is really beat up, especially on the other side, especially right here. All that is gone, and especially right here too. It doesn't even look good anymore. It just looks hideous. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and change this. This should be a very simple thing to do. All you have to do is remove this right here, give me more of a better way to get to this. So then I'm gonna have to just probably get a screwdriver, because you have a pins, not basically pins, you have like some plastic latches that's under here, and you just gonna get a screwdriver and pop them up, and that's basically it that you would do to remove this weather stripping right here. So let's do that right quick, and let's remove this weather stripping. Should be a very, very easy process. This looks is very, very bad. Just made a mistake. Just be aware, guys, when you do this. Using a flathead screwdriver is probably not the best thing to try to get under there, because I did just mess my paint up right here, but it's okay. Mistakes happen. I can fix that. I can fix it. So yes, you can see how this is no good anymore. So let's go ahead and just get the other side off also. Before I put the other one down, let's get this dirt off first with some McGuire quick detailer. Basically the whole car needs quick detailer today, but I don't have time to do that. It's time to get the good boys out. This right here is for the right side. This right here is for the left side. So let's do the right side first. Should be as simple, just click, click, click. Oh my gosh. I just love fresh parts. Fresh parts. Let's do a side-by-side comparison, because I gotta do a side-by-side comparison. This is this one, the old one that should have been replaced some quite time ago, but now this is the new one that looks very good and perfect. We are now complete with both sides. This is the best feeling right here. And just like that, we have brand new, fresh weather stripping for the window right here. Looks way better than before. Now I'm debating I should go and replace this right here, because I want everything to look brand new. It's little things about a car that makes the car stand out. Even though this is a modified car, they like to see all the good things, the wheels, the suspension, but I more like seeing the details. And this is like details. I like OEM spec details, and this is one of them. So I want to replace this. This is complete. I'm done with that. There's one more thing I want to replace too that will be coming in the near future. Is I will be replacing a new tail light, because if you look back here, I'm gonna show you this detail closely. There is a line that's sticking out where if it rains, water gets in this area right here, and I want to replace that as soon as possible, because and at the end of the day it just looks old. So I'm debating about just going to replace this one, or just going to buy another one and replace this one too. But this one looks in good condition, nothing's poking out, it still looks good. So yes, that's the next thing I will be doing. This comes to the very end of the video. Don't make my mistakes, fixing my mistakes. First thing, guys, you modify a car like this, keep doing it, but also check your little details, check your maintenance, check your wheels. I should not be driving on 2 years, 3 years worth of wheels, of tires, when I could have got them changed months ago and last year. But always remember, do your maintenance. And yes, one more thing, Street Legal USA drop is now live. It's been live since July 11th. This shirt right here, it's called the K series. Have this shirt right here, the K24 summer collection. And on my back I have like little pictures of my cars, and the other one I have a full picture of my car on the other shirt, and it looks really good. So if you want to go copy some merch, please go to streetlegalusa.com with 2 A's with the USA. Streetlegalusa.com, guys. Cannot stress it enough. Good merch. Street Legal USA.